Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Cash App error code 403. Right, so it's really easy thing to do if you want to fix this. Now very first thing you have to do, that is a clear cache and cookie. Open the Cash App and go to the settings, tap on support and select something else. Choose clear cache and confirm. The second thing is that go to your App Store or Google Play Store and update your Cash App right now. The third thing is that reinstall the Cash App and restart your device. Then reinstall your Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store. The fourth step is visit the Cash App status page or Twitter account. If there are reported issues, wait for the Cash App team to resolve them. I'm sure that till now your problem would get solved. If it doesn't, then just go to the contacts Cash App support. If the error persists, contact Cash App support through the app. Provide details about the error and any steps you have taken to resolve it. This is it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.